Traumatic bone injuries in the tails of so-called duck-billed dinosaurs have led scientists to a major discovery. For the first time, they believe they can now positively identify bones from females. Researchers at Queen's University in Belfast were part of an international team that made what's described as a major breakthrough.
This zoo archaeology lab in Queen's University has animal bones hundreds of years old. The research for this study involved bones dating back tens of millions of years. Filippo Bertozzo, a PhD student at Queen's, began the work 5 years ago. Since then, researchers in Belfast have been part of a team across the world, analysing one of the most successful groups of dinosaurs, the herbivorous hadrosaurs.
It's adding new pieces of information to the jigsaw, and especially when you are dealing with animals that lived so long ago, every new finding helps us to build up a picture of what their lives were like.
The study was based on around 500 tail vertebrae from different hadrosaur species from North America, Europe and Russia. Using statistics and computer simulation, the team found that a common pattern of bone fractures of the dinosaur's tail were likely caused during mating, where the male dinosaur crushed the backbones of the female.
Now, through Filippo's work, we've got over 500 specimens, from across the world, and throughout the late Cretaceous period, about 80 to sort of 70 million years ago, that seem to have this recurrent pattern. So it is looking like the mating hypothesis stands up.
Experts have been trying to identify the sex of dinosaurs for decades. Those involved in this work say it could be a game changer for other researchers across the world, as it could enable them to answer other questions about the differences between male and female dinosaurs. Vincent Kearney, RT News, Belfast.